right here is a Mazda rx8. Let me tell you. See, we got this tow hook. I'm gonna show you that first. This is pretty fucking sweet. This motherfucker right there, yeah, that's for towing the fat bitches around. Come back here. See, this motherfucker right here produces like 1,000 to the wheels. All the way to the wheels. So this motherfucker right here, see, you got super douche, really douche, and ricer. It's not supposed to move, but it does. See, that fucker right there keeps me pushed to the ground so I don't burn the tires. Come over here, this shit, this is real cool shit right here. See these windshield wipers? See, that's for wiping away your tears when I win the race. Pretty much how it is. And this little bugger right here, that is 1,000 extra brownie points for one smashing your girlfriend. On that. Oh, can't forget these. See them headlights, them rings? That's for how bright my future is. In my Mazda. Oh, shit. Can't forget about these babies right here. See, these mirrors, yeah, these are aftermarket weight reduction. But anyways, I got these puppies for whenever I look up, I just see your headlights because I just want to race because I drive a Mazda. Gas cap right here, that's carbon fiber, just without the carbon fiber, but it's pretty much fuckers. This is Roy Johnson again, my fault, the camera died. But I'm back again to tell you about my fucking carbon fiber gas cap. That motherfucker is so weight reduction. Here, I'll tell you what. You open this motherfucker up, it's a little dirty inside because I don't open it very much because I ain't got the money to fill it. But that right there, look at that. Premium, recommended, super recommended. Or recommendate. That's not what it said, but that's what it's supposed to say. See, that gets me places with the gas. But anyway, back to this. You see these here fucking taillights? They got a little water. They got a little water in them because I washed them all the time. But other than that, they're pretty much the baddest bitches around. Because that's all you're going to see when I'm winning the race. Well, I guess this will be the end for fucking this video because it's pretty much the baddest car in town. Push 1,000 horsepower, and I get unlimited fat bitches with my tow hook. So I'm going to take that bitch out because I ain't towing your bitch around today. Put it in my pocket. Alright, fuckers, I'll see y'all later. Y'all be safe and stay wavy.